Hi, welcome to Researchers Help. This video mainly used for Julia installation inside the Jetson Nano 2GB developer kit. So it's already having the Linux operating system. So first of all, we have just explained the removal of Julia. That means already installed Julia. So first I have verified the Julia running sections. So it only takes 0.00904 seconds. So it's a fast working because it's having ARM Cortex Core 4 processor. Okay, for uninstallation, we need to root privileges, so sudo su. Then we have find where the Julia is installation. So we have using which Julia. So user local bin Julia directory is present. Then we have to remove the Julia forcefully. So we have using a rm -rf user local /bin/Julia. So after extraction removal this Julia, we have come to that terminal window and type Julia, so there no exist. This is the uninstallation process. Okay, now we are move on installation of Julia 1.6.1. So first of all we are download Julia 1.6.1 with ARM64 package. So this package we have is a tar format, so we need to extract the file. So first of all we delete unwanted data, then go for the terminal. So for the terminal we have to copy the directory. So already we know this download for folder only, it's Julia 1.61 tar file is available. So we have just assign cd/downloads. There we are just put a command of extraction of tar file or zip file. After extraction, it's present in same download folder with the name of Julia 1.6.1. I have already tried with 1.7.0, but it didn't support. It shows some error because it's a pre-developed versions. Okay, no problem. Future we will see that. Okay, so now this the next process is after downloading, it's the extraction. The extraction file is there. Now you have moved to this folder in optional folder. So you have just copied this 1.6.1 into optional folder. So you are using command sudo cp copy -r Julia 1.6.1/option. You just remember, you have installed different version of Julia means you just correctly put the name. That's an important thing. Next is it's need for root privileges, so we type the passwords. Actually we have using 2GB developer kit. I think the 4GB is more good, because when I have opened this operating system using visualization around in 2GB 400 MB it's taken. So when is Julia is open, Julia it's around taking 200 MB, 170 to 200 MB, no process. Okay, just right. So is we have using a after optional folder location with just your link, that means Julia link to the root privileges. So only have using that command. After that installation we have just type Julia is extraction the value. So simple mathematical process. So we like to implement this in future of videos. We have evaluated CUDA means the GPU evaluation. What's the graphics in it performance, how will the performance of CPU and GPU cores. Okay, thank you for watching.